Alright, what's going on? Welcome back to the vlog. Today, let me show you what I got here today. Let me show you these boxes real quick. This right here, I just got a set of wheels for the Mazda. I don't know, I bought them on eBay. To me, I thought they were pretty cheap actually. I paid like $7.50 for the whole set. Well, I don't know, the boxes look like the guy keep them in a storage for a long time or something, because these boxes look like, you know what I mean? Like the tape is all yellow and stuff. I look at the wheels inside and they look pretty good. But this is the size 18 by 8.5 with a 35 offset. That's the hub board. This is the pattern. And this is the color. Matte bronze. Let me show you what we're working with. Let me show you what we're working with. Hey, thank to the new subscribers. To everybody that watched the video, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit the like button. I will appreciate it a lot. It helped me a lot. I cannot address that enough. Let me show you what I got here. This baby look good. Bam. This is what is going to the Mazda. This is what is going to the Mazda. The centerpiece, I have them on my room. It's like an overlay, and you're gonna put in there. You just say this. But I ordered a different ones with the Mazda symbol. So I'm probably gonna put those on. It got like the Mazda symbol like chrome. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna put like a dark tint on them before I put them on. So like that the Mazda symbol doesn't look like too chrome. It look more darker. You will see when I get them done. But yeah, I just wanna show you the wheels. And like I say, they in pretty good shape, man. You know what I mean? The box look like they've been sitting for a long time, but they in really good shape. They like new. Well, they new. They should be new. I bought them new. So, let me show you the width. That's the width. From the inside. I'm trying to see if there is any scratches or anything, but no, man, they look pretty good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put like a ceramic on them, like a ceramic coat on them. Not ceramic coat, it's more like a spray, like a ceramic spray. It's not that I'm actually gonna get them coated like ceramic done coated, but just like a ceramic spray. And I'm gonna put it on. And then I got the hub for here, which I'm gonna try to see if they fit. You know what? Let's see if this freaking hub fit. Alright, here they are. I'm gonna go try them. Because these are 73.1. My car is 67.1. So I ordered this separately, and this go from 73.1 to 67.1. So it should go from here to the piece on my car. You see, they doesn't sit tight on them. Some of them you buy them, they sit pretty tight, but these ones are not tight, but they still fit. They still fit. They just don't sit tight. But they still fit. They just don't hold on. But it should work. It should be good. There's no dancing around or anything, so it's not like they smaller. So they're the perfect size right there. So yeah, now I gotta try this on my car. So I ordered the lowering springs from CORKSPORT. But the lowering springs that I ordered, they're made for the Mazda 3 Turbo. No, not for the Mazda 3 Turbo. They made for the Mazda 3 front. They made for the Mazda 3 front wheel drive. I mean front wheel drive or all wheel drive, but no turbo. That's what it is. It's for the non-turbo version. So now they came out with a new ones in red for the turbo version. It's supposedly because the ones for the non-turbo version, because of the weight. So supposedly the ones with the turbo go is still like lower. So they didn't want that, so they made new ones in red now for the non-turbo version, for the turbo version. So like that your car doesn't sit too low because of the weight. But when I ordered mine, I had the non-turbo version, the white Mazda, and it took like over a month. Actually, it took 2 months for me to receive them. So by the time I received them, I already tried the white Mazda and got this turbo one. So now I was trying to get them changed, but they want me to pay for the shipping and all this crap, and I was like, you know what, forget it. I don't mind having my car lower, so I'm actually just gonna put them on the turbo. If it's something too crazy, which I doubt it, I don't think it's gonna be nothing crazy. It probably be sit just the same as my WRX used to sit. And if you never saw my WRX, you can check the videos. I had the videos on my list when I had my WRX. So I probably just sit like that, or maybe higher. So I'm not even gonna sweat it. But anyway, that's the video for today. I just wanna show you the videos that I got on, which is going to the car. I think this color with the red is gonna look really nice. So once I ordered the fender roller tool. So I roll my fenders a little bit just on the front, because it's like got like a piece of metal sticking out. So I'm gonna roll that, and then I'm gonna lower it, and then I'm gonna see how it sits, and then I'm gonna put these wheels on. I'm gonna use the same tires on the factory wheels, and I'm gonna put them on this. And then after that, I'll be waiting for a wing. I'm waiting for a wing for the car. I already ordered it. It's coming from Thailand. You see, this is maybe why they were cheaper for that thing. Things like that, you see, but no big deal, you know, no big deal. Maybe if I keep looking at it, maybe I found something else, but hey, can't complain. They look pretty damn good. So yeah, hit the like button, subscribe, please support it, and I see you guys until the next one. Be safe, you already know.